Hello and welcome to Pep Talk with me, Mr. Pepperell. Today I'm going to be talking about observing different types of nuclear radiation. Hopefully by the end of this video you should be able to tell me what types of radiation are given out by a radioactive substance and when does a radioactive substance give out radiation.
So, Pepperell and the Curies, who we met last time, weren't the only physicists working on the mystery of radioactivity. Ernest Rutherford, who we can see here, okay, he's a guy from New Zealand, but he was working in England, was also interested in the penetrating properties of radiation. Now, the way he investigated this was by placing different materials, like this piece of paper that we've got here, between his radioactive source, something that was emitting radiation, and his detector of radiation over here. Okay, and he was surprised to find that there was actually more than one type of radiation being emitted. Okay, and what Rutherford found was that one type of radiation that he labelled alpha up here, okay, which we show by the Greek symbol for alpha there, he found that this type of radiation was easily stopped by paper. But a second type of radiation we can see here, okay, which he designated beta because it was the second one he found with the Greek symbol for beta there. However, this passed easily through the paper due to its higher penetrating power. Okay, and since the time of Rutherford's discoveries, we've also detected a third type of even more penetrating radiation, which is actually called gamma, and this is the Greek symbol for gamma here. Okay. Now, all atoms are actually made up of the same building blocks of electrons and protons and neutrons. So why are some elements, like uranium that I've got here, radioactive, and some aren't? Well, like we touched on previously, it's all down to the stability of the atom's nucleus, which I'm just showing here with this circle for simplicity's sake. Okay. Now, the nucleus of a stable atom emits no radiation at all, but an unstable nucleus, like the one that I've got here, can make itself, or it can become stable by emitting either an alpha particle, a beta particle, or gamma radiation. Okay, and when it does so, it turns from being unstable into a stable nucleus. And when it does this, we say that it has decayed. Okay, that is the terms we use. And these decay events happen totally at random. You can't say, yeah, it's going to decay in 5 seconds and then count down. It's totally random and you can't say exactly when they are going to happen.
So that's it for this episode of Pep Talk on the different types of nuclear radiation and why substances are radioactive in the first place. Any problems at all, don't hesitate to tweet me at Mr_Pepperell or email me and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for stopping by.